Tokenization, what is it and why are we talking about it today? What tokenization is in its purest form is taking a real world asset, whether that be diamonds, gold, oil, whether that be large commercial real estate. They're even going to be trading stocks and bonds and money markets and turning it into a digital token that would trade on a blockchain. And the big benefit is that is fractional ownership. Now smaller investors can own a piece of real estate, say on Times Square, and collect that rent check like the owners are currently. And you can do that through the access of your phone. So you'll be able to trade stocks on the weekend. You would be able to buy a piece of commercial real estate property on a Sunday, sell it on a Tuesday should you want. It's going to open up a lot of capital that just wasn't available to investors prior to tokenization coming about. And it's way cheaper than going through a real estate broker or quite frankly going through an exchange to trade your stocks or trade your bonds or trade your money markets. It's coming. They're already doing tokenization in Europe and UAE. They have regulation around it. That's great, right? But how do I know what to do? Well, you have to be careful because through that tokenization process, there can be all kinds of fraud that can be brought in the process. So you have to, one, make sure that your custodian, whoever's holding your gold, whoever's holding your diamonds, whoever's holding your Bitcoin, is doing it in a way that it's safe and secure. Two, you need to understand the technology a little bit about actually what is happening, how do I trade these. We're talking about tokenization because it's going to fundamentally change how we transact business in the future. Can be scary, absolutely. You need to make sure what you're doing, you know what you're doing, or you hire someone that does. And again, you need to understand that I have other options now that I can invest in besides just a stock, just a bond, just a money market.